Bullish Jasmy coin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 3 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept JASMY could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Be that as it may, with this persistent development and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a majority rules system at a high worth and expects to go about as a delegate for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and cornered gauges. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost exhibition make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this demise twisting? And what's the cost gauge for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the JASMY stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets in this manner, enhancing the conventional method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. As per Jasmy coin's white paper, in a digitalized world, people don't just go about as clients who partake in the comfort of IoT gadgets, yet additionally as information suppliers who produce various kinds of information around their living climate. We accept that the responsibility for information will have a place with the actual people, not to a unified company. The coin was sent off first in Tokyo, Japan, before significant trades recorded it, and consequently viewed as the principal official Japanese crypto coin and managed by the nation's administration. Jasmy coin is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. However, the organization used to fabricate it as Worldwide Space Document Frameworks, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and incorporates trust into the blockchain. This convention is additionally Web3's stockpiling network that offers the motivations of Filecoin as its auxiliary. The advantage it offers to an individual is that you're responsible for your information and its utilization case, offering it to whomever you pick. Jasmy's organization will likely act as a reliable stage for clients and organizations that utilization their foundation and guarantee that its situation in the market can in any case take special care of one of the main concern issues of modern times. Jasmy likewise fills in as a framework that empowers information trade among organizations and organizations, as they plan to fabricate a remarkable time of data. Jasmy coin is right now worth $0. JASMY has moved 2.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $26,071,446. Jasmy coin is right now positioned 646 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $213,505,858 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. From every one of the specialized instruments that have been applied to the JASMY graph, it either showed a negative position or a nonpartisan one. Most everyday and week-by-week outstanding moving midpoints and straightforward moving midpoints gave negative signs. In any case, the volume-weighted moving normal and the structure moving normal gave purchase signals. The apprehension and avarice record for Jasmy coin can saw underneath. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Jasmy coin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The JASMY cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Jasmy coin JASMY cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the JASMY's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and JASMY might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, JASMY has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. On the off chance that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help JASMY needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2029. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2029. Jasmy coin value forecast 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 3 cents. Averaging out at 3 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest JASMY cost in 2031 is projected to be 4 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. What is the Jasmy coin cost today? Today, Jasmy coin is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $213,500,000.